Hey everyone! Welcome back to Crop Up Think Digital, where we help you succeed in the world of e-commerce and online business. In today's video, we're going to show you step-by-step how to create and run a Shopify store as a successful dropshipping business. We'll cover everything from product listing, payment integration, and advertising, so you can start generating passive income from your own online store. So let's get started. Creating a Shopify store. To create your Shopify store, follow these steps. Sign up for a Shopify account at www.shopify.com and choose a plan that suits your needs. Customize your store's theme and layout by choosing a theme from the Shopify theme store, or by customizing your own using Shopify's drag-and-drop editor. Add your products to your store by either sourcing products from third-party suppliers or creating your own product line. Set up your payment gateway so that customers can purchase products from your store. Shopify offers a variety of payment options, including credit card payments, PayPal, and Apple Pay. Set up your shipping rates and policies, including the countries you ship to and the rates you charge for shipping. Running a Shopify store for dropshipping. Now that you have set up your Shopify store, it's time to start running it as a dropshipping business. Here's what you need to do. Find and source products to sell on your store. You can use tools like Oberlo, AliExpress, or Salehoo to find profitable products and reliable suppliers. List your products on your store with detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and competitive prices. Optimize your product pages for SEO by including relevant keywords and meta descriptions that help your products rank higher in search results. Set up email marketing campaigns to nurture leads and encourage repeat purchases from your customers. Use social media and influencer marketing to drive traffic to your store and increase brand awareness. Part 3. Running ads to drive traffic. To drive traffic to your store, you can use paid advertising, such as Facebook ads or Google ads. 1. Set up your advertising account on your preferred platform and create your ad campaign. 2. Choose your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. 3. Set your budget and bidding strategy, and create your ad creatives, such as images or videos. 4. Launch your ad campaign and monitor its performance regularly to optimize your ad spend and achieve the best results. Shopify offers a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate, even for those who are not tech-savvy. The platform is fully customizable, allowing store owners to create a unique brand identity. Shopify has a wide variety of themes and plugins to choose from, which can help to enhance the functionality of your store. The platform offers secure payment gateways, ensuring that transactions are safe and secure. Shopify offers robust analytics and reporting features, allowing store owners to monitor their sales and customer behavior. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to succeed in the world of e-commerce and online business. Thanks for watching.